The name of this presentation is Finding Keywords for Your Business. Here are some words to understand in searching on the web. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, referring to techniques that help your website rank higher in search engine results. This makes your website more visible to people who are looking for solutions that your product or service can provide. A head term or head keyword is a popular keyword with high search value. It is short compared to a long-term keyword. Search results are the documents or other content returned by a search engine for a given query. A search query may contain one or more keywords in addition to other items. A featured snippet is a summary of an answer to a user's query, which is displayed on top of Google search results. It's extracted from a web page and includes the page title and URL. A rich snippet contains rating stars, product availability, and pricing information, as well as photos for reviews. Here are some words to understand in searching. A SERP is any result on a Google search engine results page. SERP. That is not a traditional organic result. The most common SERP features are 1. Rich snippets, which add a visual layer to an existing result. That is, it has review stars for product ratings. Paid results that are bought by bidding on keywords, that is AdWords or Google Shopping. Those are results that you pay for. Universal results that appear in addition to organic results, that is image results, new results, featured snippets. And knowledge graph data, which appears as panels or boxes, like weather or celebrity knowledge panel. Here are some examples of some featured snippets. On the left, here's a search that I did for gold and jewelry in Bakersfield. On the right, I asked, what's the best ice cream? And you see how Google answers questions and, in addition, lists the most prominent sites for reaching those. This illustration indicates a rich snippet. And in addition to the answers to the question, you'll see pictures, you'll see review stars, and you'll see a map. As then below are the reviews. And that's exactly what you want to generate. Let's look at the process for selecting keywords. Step 1, develop a question that goes to the heart of your service or product and search for it on Google or your favorite search engine. Ask friends and customers what words or phrases they would use to search for your type of business. The main task here is just to list the relevant words and phrases that would give you an idea of what words to use to search in the following step. Use locally relevant keywords that customers are using to search for services or goods. Use the name of the service or goods, that is like plumbing, bed and breakfast, you offer. Use geographic identifiers such as your neighborhood, city, district, street names, zip code in your immediate vicinity. Near me is another phrase people might use. Here's step 2 in keyword research. Come up with a list of keyword variations, including synonyms and geographic modifiers. Google offers a keyword planner at no cost that can assist you in identifying keywords. It provides detailed data like average search volume, competition level, cost per click for exact keywords. Google's autocomplete will generate hundreds of long-tail word keywords. It shows what people are typing into their searches. Ubersuggest can help you find keywords. Notice people also ask questions that come up when searching for keywords. Rank or prioritize keywords based on their relevance to your business. Here are some popular performing words used in introductory sentences. They include or relate to the keyword phrase: article, breaking, bulletin, data, golden, great, happy, here, hope, iPhone, list, loved, order today, peace, study, thank you, thanks, tips, Twitter, wanted, week, weekend. And those are words that people would use in conjunction with what they're searching for. Here's some other keyword tips. Keywords are the words people use to seek what you offer. The first thing people see when they look at search results are title tags and meta descriptions. It's important that they describe what you do and your niche, because this is what people use to reach your site. Use the find command. Count how many times you use your key phrase describing your business or product in your blog or descriptive material. That's Control+F on Macs. Replace pronouns with your key phrases. Use keywords and subheads that divide your content and create white spaces for easy readability. Use descriptive keywords in the alt text and image files. Now, step 3 in the process for selecting keywords is you may select the broad or exact match type of search. It is necessary to type the exact match type in finding the right keywords. The tool helps you identify alternate phrases being used in searches that are closely related to your niche. Single word keyword roughly makes up about 20% of search volume in the US. Search queries that contain 5 or more words in length also make another 20% of the search volume. Individuals typing in 3 or more words in a search box are more specific in defining the information they wish to see in the SERPs. Step 4. Here are some search tools for keeping your list. Search tools include these tools as well. Pick one or more tools and use them consistently. AdWords, Ahrefs, Google's Keyword Planner, the Hoth Google Keyword Planning Tool, KeywordTool.io, that's Google's autocomplete, KW Finder, Moz's Keyword Explorer, SEMrush, SpyFu, Ubersuggest, WordStream. At the bottom of the search engine results page, see what other searches related to the search term are recommended by Google. Take note of these phrases as well and keep them in a list. The search results you get are the gateway to finding your keywords. You can keep track of them in Google Sheets or Excel or Google Spreadsheets. Google Suite has other applications you can use for Google Slides, for PowerPoint presentations, and Google Forms for easily collecting simple survey responses. This is a way of keeping track of keywords. Let's consider long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords have low search volume and less competition on search queries, but they are highly targeted phrases specific to your niche. Keyword phrases that typically contain 3 to 4 or more words are known as long-tail keywords. They tend to show a more specific search intent on the part of the searcher, narrowing down the results to only the most appropriate. These keywords are less general. They're 1 to 2 keywords, also known as seed or key headwords, and have lower search frequency. They are used less in searching. The resulting traffic from these long-tail search terms is therefore relatively less than for general keywords, but that traffic is more targeted with much higher chances of conversion to sales. The logical advantages behind targeting long-tail keywords are clear. They are much easier to rank for more general terms relating to your industry. They provide far more targeted traffic that has a better chance of converting. They give you an opportunity to steal traffic away from the mammoth established websites that rule the roost for all the general high search frequency terms in your industry. More about long-tail keywords. You need to understand that long-tail search queries are more specific and easier to match the intent of the user, which is Google's aim. On-page optimization of a blog advertising content is all about choosing keywords and writing creative ad copy that answers the initial question of the user. Utilizing long-tail keywords for your internet marketing campaign benefits both the user and the advertiser. Managing your content does not mean having to pay professional writers. Google wants you to learn to use the phrases matching correctly and base your content and marketing ad campaigns using those search term matches. Your keywords should appropriately respond to the informational intent of the visitor. This means that you should create phrases and content that answers the questions of the visitors. The right way is to publish information and then let the information you publish lead the users to your product. Here's a direct way of going about this. Decide on your search phrase or phrases and then publish valuable information that leads to your product. Paying for keywords is one way people to find your business listing on Google and other search engines. Keywords or phrases that cost the most, that is, you pay Google or some other search engine, are the most highly specific. They have at least 3 words identifying location, like the city, the service offered, legal, water damage, financial, or health. Most searches use phrases known as long tail. In fact, 70% of searches are long tail phrases. Less than 20% of searches are for the 10,000 most popular keywords, with half of these being for the top 500 keywords. If duplicate content is an issue, replace it, delete it, or redirect it to a page that meets Google's guidelines and content's best practices. For example, it's no longer good practice to create a different page to target each keyword variation. For example, you would create a page for Cleveland chiropractor and another page for chiropractor in Cleveland. But Google's algorithm understands that a single page can be relevant for single keyword phrases and even some synonyms. One phrase serves basic variations of the same topic. This video is part of a series on local marketing. It is an element in the foundation for the consulting and training I do. I acknowledge with appreciation what I have learned from sources such as HubSpot, Google, Internet Retailer, Social Media Examiner, Mech Labs, and Pew Research Center. My website is localmarketing.center and email homeplus99@gmail.com. I can be reached at 800-726-8847. In closing, keep in mind that to reach consumers today, we must work smarter than marketers did in past years. I hope these ideas surprise you with new ideas to communicate with customers more effectively.